What's up, hungry people? Fruitcake gets a bad rap around the holidays. A once quintessential holiday dessert, fruitcake is now the butt end of many holiday jokes. This year, I've decided to give fruitcake a 21st century makeover and combine it with another modern day Christmas classic, candy bark. This fruitcake crack contains all of the classic flavors of fruitcake in a much more palatable combination that probably will last as long as the real deal. Start with white chocolate chips and a double boiler. I don't recommend using a microwave to melt the white chocolate because it's very easy to scald and ruin white chocolate. It has a much lower melting point than regular milk or dark chocolate. You can make a DIY double boiler with a heat-proof bowl over a few inches of simmering water in a pot. Stir the chocolate chips until they are completely smooth and the chocolate has a glossy sheen. Transfer the melted chocolate to a 9x9 dish lined with parchment paper. Spread the chocolate into an even layer and push it into the corners by pulling on the parchment until the chocolate fills the entire pan. While the chocolate is still hot, place red candy melts directly into the chocolate. When the melts appear glossy and wet, use a knife to swirl the candy color into the white chocolate. I had the best results with a single candy melt color, but feel free to add green or yellow or whatever colors you would like to really emphasize the colors of Christmas. Next, add the desired amount of traditional fruitcake ingredients, starting with the nuts. I started with salted pistachios for a burst of green color and salty flavor. Next, I added walnuts, followed by salted peanuts. Give the melted candy a quick swirl to help secure the nuts into the chocolate base. Green cherries are a fruitcake staple, despite their unnatural color and texture. Then add dried apricot, crystallized ginger, golden raisins, dried dates, dried pineapple tidbits, and tart dried red cherries. Once again, give the melted candy a quick swirl to secure the dried fruits into the chocolate. Add a pinch of crystal sprinkles to give an icy appearance. Chill the chocolate for 3 to 4 hours, or until it is solid all the way through. Crack the candy bark on a hard surface so it shatters into large shards of chocolate. Use a knife to further break down the chocolate into bite-sized pieces. This contemporary twist on an obsolete classic brings the flavors of fruitcake back into the modern century. I made 2 batches of fruitcake crack to give to family and coworkers, and my fiancé's batch for his coworkers was devoured in just minutes, proving that the flavors of fruitcake are just as strong as they were back in fruitcake's heyday. Saute up that like button if this video made you hungry, and subscribe and ring the bell for new recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. I do have a small bit of merch available on the Teespring link in the description, so feel free to grab a t-shirt to help support my blog. Don't forget you can find this full recipe with step-by-step instructions on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a Merry Christmas!